Okay, today we're going to talk about 3 things that most people misunderstand about health insurance. Myth number 1, your insurance covers everything. The truth is, it doesn't. There are deductibles, copays, and coinsurance that often apply before the insurance covers. And that free checkup, only certain ones are considered preventative. Myth number 2, you can see any doctor you want. Fact, networks matter. Make sure you're seeing an in-network doctor. Out of network can incur higher costs. Myth number 3, using insurance means you pay less. Fact, sometimes providers have negotiated self-pay rates that are lower than if you used your insurance plan. Make sure to ask before you swipe. Confused? Drop a comment below on your biggest insurance headache, and I'd be happy to chat more.